mobile adventure again. We're gonna be doing something easy today. The back brakes on the Tahoe LTZ. Right here, it's just some brake pads, ceramic, got the good stuff. So we're gonna show you how this is gonna go. 19mm on the Avid power. I'm just gonna break the nuts loose right quick. I'm not gonna take them off. This gun is nice for this type of job. So we got both wheels off on each side. The jack stands underneath the frame, both sides. The jack for extra support underneath the differential right here. 15mm. Take off these bolts, which are already loosened. Set it down there. Got the C clamp. You twist it all the way up to compress the brake. Caliper comes off like that. Easy peasy. Set the way, and then brakes right here. So a few things you want to put grease on is the back sides of your new brake pads right there, and on the tips right here, both sides. Then you also want to put grease on the piston here and the insides back here where metal is going to touch metal. And a lot of people, they don't take these pins out. These caliper bracket pins, you need to grease in those so they can properly be squeezed in and out like that on both of them. We'll just pull them out, put grease, and put them back in.